The overall goal of this protocol is to fabricate an analytic device from an easily sourced material, cotton, to use for urinalysis.
The main advantage of this technique is that the device is easy to fabricate, is very low cost, can be used for multiple assays, and is quick to assemble. The analytical method with the device is sensitive to detecting sample and reagent contamination. Demonstration the procedure will be Shang-Chi, who was instrumental in innovating the method.
Begin with preparing the test strip devices. First, determine the hydrophobicity of the cleansing cotton for the test strips using a standard contact angle measurement with droplets of deionized water. Then, start fabricating the cotton-based analytical device by cutting cleansing cotton into 5.5 cm by 1 cm pieces. Use a paper cutter. The next step is to drill sets of 3 0.5 cm diameter holes in a sheet of lamination film. Drill the holes in rows with 1 cm between the holes. Each set of holes makes a test strip, and up to 36 strips can be fit on a standard sheet of lamination film. Next, sandwich the cleansing cotton between the hole-drilled sheet of lamination film and an undrilled sheet of lamination film. Then, use a standard laminator to package the device. Now, cut individual 5.5 by 1 cm test strip devices from the assembly. To make standard curves of 3 test solutions, 48 strips are needed. On each test area, use a sharp blade to make a small channel.